Page 158, Lesson 29, Reading. Mr. White is one teacher. Mr. Brown is another teacher. Mr. Green is another teacher. Mr. Black is another teacher. And Mr. Gray is another teacher. Mr. White is one teacher. Mr. Brown is another. Mr. Green is another. Mr. Black is another. And Mr. Gray is another. Mr. Red is one student. Mr. Blue is another student. Mr. Pink is another student. And Mr. Orange is another student. Mr. Red is one student. Mr. Blue is another. Mr. Pink is another. And Mr. Orange is another. Mr. White is one teacher. Mr. Brown and Mr. Green are other teachers. Mr. White is one teacher. Mr. Brown and Mr. Green are others. Mr. Red is one student. Mr. Blue and Mr. Pink are other students. Mr. Red is one student. Mr. Blue and Mr. Pink are others. Mr. White is one teacher. Mr. Brown is another teacher. Mr. Green, Mr. Black, and Mr. Gray are other teachers. There are 5 teachers altogether in this school. Mr. White is one teacher. Mr. Brown is another. Mr. Green, Mr. Black, and Mr. Gray are others. There are 5 teachers altogether in this school. Mr. Red is one student. Mr. Blue is another student. Mr. Pink and Mr. Orange are other students, and there are 10 other students. There are 14 students altogether in the class. Mr. Red is one student. Mr. Blue is another. Mr. Pink and Mr. Orange are others, and there are 10 others. There are 14 students altogether in the class. Here is one book. Here is another book. Number 2. Here is another book. Number 3. And there are 2 other books. 5 books altogether. Page 159. Here is one book. Here is another. Number 2. Here is another. Number 3. And there are 2 others. 5 books altogether. Questions and answers. Have you another cup of tea? Yes, I have another cup of tea. Have you another cup of tea? No, I have not another cup of tea. Have you another bottle of wine? Yes, I have another bottle of wine. Have you another bottle of wine? No, I have not another bottle of wine. Have you another box of matches? Yes, I have another box of matches. Have you another box of matches? No, I have not another box of matches. Have you another glass of beer? Yes, I have another glass of beer. Have you another glass of beer? No, I have not another glass of beer. Have you another jug of milk? Yes, I have another jug of milk. Have you another jug of milk? No, I have not another jug of milk. Have you another pot of coffee? Yes, I have another pot of coffee. Have you another pot of coffee. No, I have not another pot of coffee. Have you another bowl of sugar? Yes, I have another bowl of sugar. Have you another bowl of sugar? No, I have not another bowl of sugar. Have you another pot of pepper? Yes, I have another pot of pepper. Have you another pot of pepper? No, I have not another pot of pepper. Page 160. Have you another basket of fruit? Yes, I have another basket of fruit. Have you another basket of fruit? No, I have not another basket of fruit. Have you another plate of bread? Yes, I have another plate of bread. Have you another plate of bread? No, I have not another plate of bread. Have you other cups of tea? Yes, I have other cups of tea. Have you other cups of tea? No, I have not other cups of tea. Have you other bottles of wine? Yes, I have other bottles of wine. Have you other bottles of wine? No, I have not other bottles of wine. Have you other boxes of matches? Yes, I have other boxes of matches. Have you other boxes of matches? No, I have not other boxes of matches. Have you other glasses of beer? Yes, I have other glasses of beer. Have you other glasses of beer? No, I have not other glasses of beer. Have you other jugs of milk? Yes, I have other jugs of milk. Have you other jugs of milk? No, I have not other jugs of milk. Have you other pots of coffee? Yes, I have other pots of coffee. Have you other pots of coffee? No, I have not other pots of coffee. Have you other bowls of sugar? Yes, I have other bowls of sugar. Have you other bowls of sugar? No, I have not other bowls of sugar. Have you other pots of pepper? Yes, I have other pots of pepper. Have you other pots of pepper? No, I have not other pots of pepper. Page 161. Have you other baskets of fruit? Yes, I have other baskets of fruit. Have you other baskets of fruit? No, I have not other baskets of fruit. Have you other plates of bread? Yes, I have other plates of bread. Have you other plates of bread? No, I have not other plates of bread. Is there another set of furniture in the room? Yes, there is another set of furniture in the room. Is there another set of furniture in the room? No, there is not another set of furniture in the room. Is there another dish of fish on the table? Yes, there is another dish of fish on the table. Is there another dish of fish on the table? No, there is not another dish of fish on the table. Is there another tin of tomato juice in the larder? Yes, there is another tin of tomato juice in the larder. Is there another tin of tomato juice in the larder? No, there is not another tin of tomato juice in the larder. Are there other sets of furniture with the carpenter? Yes, there are other sets of furniture with the carpenter. Are there other sets of furniture with the carpenter? No, there are not other sets of furniture with the carpenter. Are there other dishes of chicken for our guests? Yes, there are other dishes of chicken for our guests. Are there other dishes of chicken for our guests? No, there are not other dishes of chicken for our guests. Are there other razors for the barbers? Yes, there are other razors for the barbers. Are there other razors for the barbers? No, there are not other razors for the barbers. Page 162. Are there 15 students altogether in the class? Yes, there are 15 students altogether in the class. Are there 15 students altogether in the class? No, there are not 15 students altogether in the class. Are there 20 eggs altogether in the basket? Yes, there are 20 eggs altogether in the basket. Are there 20 eggs altogether in the basket? No, there are not 20 eggs altogether in the basket. Are there 8 doctors altogether in the hospital? Yes, there are 8 doctors altogether in the hospital. Are there 8 doctors altogether in the hospital? No, there are not 8 doctors altogether in the hospital. Are there 16 nurses altogether in the hospital? Yes, there are 16 nurses altogether in the hospital. Are there 16 nurses altogether in the hospital? No, there are not 16 nurses altogether in the hospital. Are the other students still in the classroom? Yes, the other students are still in the classroom. Are the other students still in the classroom? No, the other students are not still in the classroom. Are the other passengers still in the aeroplane? Yes, the other passengers are still in the aeroplane. Are the other passengers still in the aeroplane? No, the other passengers are not still in the aeroplane. Are the other players still in the field? Yes, the other players are still in the field. Are the other players still in the field? No, the other players are not still in the field. Are the other boats still on the lake? Yes, the other boats are still on the lake. Are the other boats still on the lake? No, the other boats are not still on the lake. Are the other birds still in the cage? Yes, the other birds are still in the cage. Are the other birds still in the cage? No, the other birds are not still in the cage. Page 163. Has your mother another blue dress? Yes, my mother has another blue dress. Has your mother another blue dress? No, my mother has not another blue dress. Has your father other children? Yes, my father has other children. Has your father other children? No, my father has not other children. Has this cow another calf? Yes, this cow has another calf. Has this cow another calf? No, this cow has not another calf. Has your brother another nail clipper? Yes, my brother has another nail clipper. Has your brother another nail clipper? No, my brother has not another nail clipper. Have those smokers other lighters? Yes, those smokers have other lighters. Have those smokers other lighters? No, those smokers have not other lighters.